begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate project name IoT based dual axis solar tracker panel parameter monitoring system using Arduino microcontroller. So as you can see, this is our project. So first I will tell you what are the components we are using and how we have constructed it. Let's start with the construction. This one is the base MDF board, then L clamps with screw to mount this motor and wheel to rotate this panel on this axis. Let it be x-axis. Then on y-axis we have this motor, okay, which will move clockwise, anti-clockwise, rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise for better efficiency. Then we have this panel connected to 1 voltmeter and which is connected to Arduino microcontroller. Then we have Arduino microcontroller here, in which we have to dump code, and that code will control all the functions. All the functions here I mean to say is parameter monitoring on LCD and website. So this one is DHT11 digital humidity temperature sensor, and this one is current sensor, and this is your Wi-Fi module. And then we have voltmeter, and then motor button, 3 batteries, L293 motor driver, okay, this one is L293 motor driver, and this one is 5 volt voltage regulator. Okay, so these are the components which we have used here. So now I will start the project, and you can see working of this. So we have to just turn this on. Okay, first we will see the panel monitoring part, and after that we will see the motor part. Okay, so on LCD, as you can see, it is showing current 86 milliampere, humidity 56%, voltage 10 volt, temperature 24 volt. So voltage will change according to the light falling on it. Like if I rotate like this, more light is falling, so voltage should increase. Okay, so I will turn on this light, upper light. So now you can see, so these are the readings. Now these readings we can see on website. So we have ThinkSpeak website, you can see less than a minute ago reading is, and we can also put here where the project exactly is. We can add some location here. Okay, so here we can show where project exactly is, and we can also play some videos. And this one is the current, humidity, temperature, voltage reading on website. Okay, now we will see the solar tracker part. Now let's see how dual axis solar tracker part is working. When light falls on LDR, voltage will vary between LDR and fixed resistor in voltage divider circuit, and that voltage is sensed by microcontroller ADC, and accordingly motor will move. You can see working in the description. And on LCD you can again see parameters like current, voltage, humidity and temperature, and these are 3 batteries which are giving 12 volt, and through 7805 we will get 5 volt. And guys, thank you again for watching the video. For modification in the project you can contact us through WhatsApp or email. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, softwares and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check the description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.